Eating unready beans, it is something I never imagined in this world is happening. Cousins, if I didn't come to this country, I didn't know that this was happening here. Banamwe. Munange, when I came here, I discovered another culture. So here, they eat unready beans. Those are beans which are unready. Me, where I come from Uganda. And in Uganda, we don't eat beans like this. Seriously, what I'm telling you is this, cousins. In Uganda, when the beans are not like ready, these are still young beans. But here in the country where I live in, they eat it. This is how we prepare it. We put it in water, they bring it from the garden. So by the time I was cooking this, I had already cut it into small slices. After that, I have to put it in water, hot water. The reason I put it in hot water, it is because it is too much. So I have to put it in the freezer so that I can keep it for some time. Munange, in my country, tetulya bijanjalo bitakuze. But in this country, bali ebijanjalo bitakuze. Just imagine this. We had to put it like this. I had to do it like this, so that when it cools down, I have to put it in a freeze. My dear cousins, this is the truth about Africa. We have to be proud as Africans, because in Africa you can grow something, it becomes ready. When it is really good, then you eat it. But this is not ready beans. But in these countries, they eat it like this. So this is another experience we Africans, we need to be proud of. Because in Africa, you can't eat beans which are like this. Seriously? I've never seen this in my entire life. I dare any Ugandan to say that we eat beans like this. This is not fresh beans. I know fresh beans, but this is not fresh beans. These are beans which are not ready. And when you open them inside, you can see they are beans, but they are not ready. You know these small beans when they are still in garden, they have just come up. So this is what they do. They remove them from the hooks, then I cut them into small slices. After cutting them, I cook them like that because there are so many, so we need to preserve them. To preserve them, I put them on gas, then I put them on fridge. Hey cousins, this is an amazing adventure. If you're new to my channel, you're missing out. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment. We are cousins like this in this journey. This is another experience. If you have seen this somewhere else, cousin, comment and tell me, where are you watching this video from? I'm sending you a hug. Cousin, where are you watching this video from?